Depression, a battle I fight each day, with shadows and darkness that won't go away. I'm lost in this battle, I don't know what to do, screaming with all my might, for someone to see me through. The weight of this burden, it's crushing my soul, leaving me exhausted, and feeling so low. I'm fighting to stay afloat, in a sea of despair, but the waves just keep coming, and I'm left to repair. I'm searching for the light, in this endless night, a glimmer of hope, to make everything right, but the darkness just grows, and the pain takes hold, and I'm left with the question, how much more can I be bold? But I must not give up, I must find a way, to break free from this darkness, and start a new day, for though the battle may be tough, it's not impossible, with love, support, and hope, it's possible to be whole. So I reach out my hand, and I call for help, hoping to find someone, who will hear me yell, for in this battle, I am not alone, and with your love and support, I can break free and grow. So help me, dear friends, and never let go, guide me through this darkness, and let me know, that I am loved and valued, and I have a place, and together we will conquer, this battle of depression and space. Share your thoughts and spread the word by sharing and liking the video.